Well, thank you so much, and thanks for every students. I want to say that the solve of binomial expression and binomial theorem with the chapter 7, chapter 2nd. So expression is 1 minus x divided 8 whole to the power half is the power of fifth terms. So it's so difficult, but you have to know deeply about these rules. Then obviously is not a major problem. I think these maths are important and solve this moment. So you have to start and solve these questions. So firstly, we write now this 1 minus x divided 8 whole to the power half is the expression of the formula. Just formula 1 minus x whole to the power n equal to 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 divided by factorial 2 into x square is ... is the expression of formula. So this formula is applicable in this maths. Firstly, 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 into minus x divided 8 whole square plus half into half minus 1 and half minus 2 divided by factorial 3 into minus x divided 8 whole cube is a whole cube plus up to ... plus is the advance now. So we are discussion to this formula 1 minus x divided by 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 plus minus 1 divided by 1 that means half into square, half square into 1 minus 1 into half into half minus 1 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square and by factorial 2 into well 1 by 2 into 2 into factorial 2 into factorial 2 divided by minus 1 by 8 third square minus 1 by 8 third square. So minus plus minus 1 divided by 1 and 3 1 half minus 1 half minus 2. So 1 2 3 2 cube into 2 cube into factorial 3 into 8 third cube into minus into x cube plus এভাবে minus 1 by 2 to the power 4 into x to the power 4 divided by 8 to the power 4 into factorial 4 plus up to ... This is the power of higher order of power x. 1 minus x divided by 2 into 2 to the power 4 minus x square divided by 2 to the power square into 2 to the power 2 cube into 4 into 1 by factorial 2 minus x cube divided by 2 to the power factorial 3 into 2 to the power 4 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4 into 2 cube into 2 cube into 8 cube into x to the power 3 into 1 by factorial 3 is the factorial 2 factorial 3 and factorial 3 and minus x to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 4 8 to the power 4 factorial 4 plus up to dot dot dot. This is the which is the power of highest order. Well, and this is the answer. So we have to repeat it. This is the formula. You have to formula repeat it. 1 minus x whole to the power n. 1 minus nx plus n into n minus 1 by factorial into x square plus up to dot 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 dot, and 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by factorial 2 into x square plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 by factorial 3 into x cube plus up to dot dot dot, and it is the calculation. You have to write down calculation, then advance in level. So it's not a major problem. It's so easiest and easy things. I want to say that. And next maths is the important, and you have to practice obviously, and in front of exam is this maths automatically. So I think you have to practice day after day, is not a major problem. So this maths is so important, and question: prove that the expansion of 1 minus 2x whole to the power minus half in r plus 1 terms of coefficient 2r factorial divided by 2 to the power r factorial r, where x is modulus is less than half. So it's so important maths, obviously important maths, and you have to practice in deeply. So its solution: the given that the expansion of 1 minus 2x whole to the power minus half. So half is the r plus 1 term. R plus 1 term. So 1 minus 2x whole to the power minus half is equal to half n minus 1 n minus 2 is dot minus half minus r plus 1 divided by factorial r into minus 2x whole to the power r is a r plus 1 term of 1 minus 2x whole to the power minus half. So this maths is somehow critical, but you have to practice day after day, then obviously is easiest. So then we have to minus and minus 1 to the power r minus 1 to the power r. So half into 3 by 2 into 5 by 2 up to dot minus 2r minus 1 by 2 2r minus 1 divided by 2 divided by factorial r into minus 1 to the power r 2 to the power r x to the power r. So this minus 1 to the power r and 2r and 1 3 5 up to dot 2r minus 1 divided by factorial 2 to the power r and factorial r 2 to the power r x to the power r. It is easiest things and easy way. So 2 to the power r, 2 to the power is omitted. So 1 3 5 up to dot 2r minus 1 divided by factorial r and x to the power r. It is easily so and you have to prove that factorial 2 to the power r divided by 2 to the power r divided by 2r factorial 2r divided by 2 to the power r factorial r. It's so important maths and easiest math in front of the exam. I think you have to clear this 1 3 5 and 2r minus 1 divided by factorial r and 2 4 6 up to dot 2r divided by 2 4 6 dot 2r and x to the power r. This is the multiply of denominator and numerator. So we have to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and dot 2n minus 1 into 2r divided by factorial r into 2 into 1 2 into 2 and 2 into 3 dot 2 into r x to the power r. Right? Okay. And 2r is factorial and then factorial 2r and 2 to the power r factorial r into x to the power r. So 2r is a factorial and 2 to the power r and factorial r the whole square. 2 to the power r and factorial are the whole square. So you have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to dot 2n in 2n, 2n minus 1 into 2n. This is the total term is factorial of 2n and factorial 2n 2, 2, 2 up to 2, that means 2 to the power n. 1, 2, 3 r, that means factorial n. So we know that factorial n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to dot 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 n minus 1 and n. That means factorial r. That means factorial n. So you have to discussion and you have to deeply think. This is the rules and this is the formula. Obviously you have to memorize this the formula and advance this the systematic way. It's so easiest thing, I think that. So you have to practice and deeply practice, and these are proved. So you have to clear this maths. Thanks a lot. Firstly, you have to practice in day after day and always speaking to you. You have to clear this process and clear this maths. So you have to deeply criterion, and you have to thinking this is the systematic way, and you have to share is you and your friends and all of students. So well done and well, thank you.